Uncover the truth about the S24 Ultra and decide if it's time to upgrade from your trusty S23 Ultra. Stay tuned as we delve into the world of generative AI, cutting-edge chipsets, and the real cost of staying on the bleeding edge of technology. First of all, here are the pros and cons of upgrading from the S23 Ultra to the S24. Ultra. Pros. Generative AI. The S24 Ultra introduces generative AI, a cutting-edge technology that could redefine how we use our smartphones. Latest chipset, the S24 Ultra, is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, the first chipset to include generative AI on its silicon. Being on the cutting edge. If you're a tech enthusiast who always wants to have the latest technology, upgrading to the S24 Ultra will keep you at the forefront of mobile technology. Cons. Minimal hardware improvements. The hardware changes in the S24 Ultra are subtle and don't drastically alter the user experience compared to the S23 Ultra. Uncertain AI feature compatibility. While Samsung has promised to bring all Galaxy AI features to the S23 Ultra, it's unclear when this will happen and whether the S23 Ultra's hardware can handle these advanced features. Cost of upgrading. Upgrading to a new phone is a significant investment. If the new features of the S24 Ultra don't seem essential to you, it might not be worth the cost. The S24 Ultra, a leap into the future or a mere step forward? The smartphone industry is buzzing with the launch of the new S24 Ultra, leaving many S23 Ultra owners pondering the question, should I upgrade? The answer isn't as straightforward as you might think. The hardware, evolution, not revolution. When it comes to hardware improvements, the S24 Ultra doesn't bring a revolution. The changes are subtle and don't drastically alter the user experience compared to the S23 Ultra. If you're an S23 Ultra owner, the hardware alone might not be a compelling reason to upgrade. The real game changer. Generative AI. The real game changer for the S24 Ultra is the introduction of generative AI. This cutting-edge technology could potentially redefine how we use our smartphones. However, it's worth noting that Samsung has promised to bring all Galaxy AI features to the S23 Ultra in the future. The timeline for this update remains unclear, and there are concerns about whether the S23 Ultra's hardware can handle these advanced features. The power behind the AI. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The S24 Ultra is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, the first chipset to include generative AI on its silicon. This raises questions about whether the S23 Ultra, powered by the older Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, will be able to run these AI features on-device, or if it will require cloud processing. The verdict: patience is a virtue. The decision to upgrade from the S23 Ultra to the S24 Ultra hinges heavily on your desire for generative AI. However, as we have yet to fully experience Galaxy AI, it's difficult to make a definitive judgment on its usefulness. Our advice? Hold off on upgrading until more information is available. Unless, of course, you want to be on the absolute cutting edge of mobile technology. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with our latest content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, click on the bell icon to turn on notifications so you never miss an upload from us. Remember, your support helps us create more content for you. Until next time, take care and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.